Hello, Tyler McCully Wide World of Trains. I'm in Callao, Missouri right now. Find out what it is. Wait for it. Alright! 135 cars. That BNSF was motoring, Jack. He was going about 50 miles per hour, Jack. Some that train was BNSF-9-44CW. The -9-44CW originates in Long Beach, California. Heads east, going to stop at Qunicy, Illinois. Wait for the other train going east and heading eastbound on its way by Chicago at Elwood, Illinois by Chicago. Happened on Friday, August 12, 2022 by Tyler McCully's Wide World of Trains on YouTube. Have a good one.